looks good for a pop, man. It hit one of my levels that I had marked out that it always bounced from that 63 level or 76, and it looks good for a long. I don't want to make 3K, 92K.
Uh,
Get this shit going.
I don't think longs are that valid because the daily candle's about to flip red too. It's leaving.
Oh, okay, never mind.
It's leaving behind a wick. Yeah, if you check that out, you could see it. Yo, what up, Figs? We could though. We could. What it might just it might print a lower high, lower. Sorry, a higher low, and then we can possibly reverse here. Cause let me see. Let me see. This right here, you can see that we have the low that from New York, and then we placed in this high today, and now we're pulling back. So it looks like it is trying to find a bottom here, a lower high. Sorry, a lower, a freaking higher low. I always get those mixed up without thinking. Anyway, but a higher low, and we could possibly find be able to long to these highs again. That's what I'm
I'm gonna
thinking.
go live here on TikTok.
Do it. Okay, this time though,
Yeah.
I want to take my time here with these entries because yesterday,
Yeah.
holy
No
moly,
rush.
bruh.
No rush. No rush.
Today though, when market open was so clean. It was so clean. Where was it? Oh yeah, it was right here. Yeah, right here. This was a beauty right here. We put in that low, printed this higher low, and then boom. This was TP. Beautiful. That's what I was trying to catch all night yesterday, but it just was not working at all.
Yeah.
I have my daughter here with me, so I might be going mute here and in and out and stuff.
Worries.
But either way, we got some time to. The way it looks right now, gold actually might be doing it again.
Yeah.
Look at this. Got the low, higher low. We could be going up towards 48.52.
Mm-hmm. Yo, what up? TikTok. How's it going? We're live. London session. It's gonna start in an hour. Today we'll play a Habibi song for you guys. What was that? Yo, what up? What up? C Figs. How you doing?
Dude, I had a good run earlier. I'm happy about that. I passed
Yeah.
two evals. I got a payout. I made
Mm-hmm.
over half of that money back on a trade. So I had a good little run earlier.
Yeah. That's good. That's good.
Let's see if we can do something
That
here.
is good. Let me know if you like the song, okay? If you can hear it.
I'm gonna have to mute you on YouTube because I'm gonna get copyrighted.
Oh, okay. Then no, it's okay then. What up, TikTok? How's it going?
The thing with
Welcome to Cartel Traders. What?
gold right now is like if we try to short this or long, if we can get above 48.67, we can go long. It's just that if we try to short, we'd be shorting into support, and it could bounce anywhere here.
Yeah, we don't want to do that.
Ask ask the chat what the bias is for today.
We don't got enough people in the chat. Yo, 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 what up across the online verse? Yeah, today we're gonna be very, very picky with our entries. God damn it, IQ's oh man. You're killing me. How's it going, TikTok? How you doing? How's everybody doing today? How did FOMC go for you guys earlier? What trades did you take? Let me know in the comments below. Took a quick gold scalp on gold shorts. Now only need $125 to pass. We're gonna get you past. Yo, what up, LJC? What up? What up? What up? How's everybody doing? Just gonna be chilling here till we find a setup.
Yeah, so okay, $125 to pass. Okay, hopefully we can get it here. So let me give you some TA. I do think we go up. I mean, we are printing that higher low as of right now. We're kind of pushing up and getting a good reaction right here. So what I'm looking for, if we can get a close above 636 on the 15-minute, we can play a long, because as of right now, it's kind of creating a range, and it might just sit here. So let's see if we can get a close above. Play the break of
636. Okay.
play the break of that high, 15-minute high, and then catch along. Because right here on the 15-minute, there's you can see all this, red, 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 not one green candle. So that's a clean range all the way to at least 694. And that's also Asia high. So that we could target this high right there. So let's see how it goes. Oh yeah.
Sounds good. How's it going on TikTok? Welcome to Cartel Traders. I'm doing this live. Oh, it's long.
There are a few spots where I would have taken an entry, but like I said, I wanted to break out of this range before anything. Because for all we know, we could just consolidate here.
Yeah. And then the VWAP is at 632. We're maybe looking to NQ long. Chat, so just get that ready. goes above it. And our next target would be that 648 level. Welcome to Cartel Traders. If you guys are new here, welcome. Make sure you join the Discord link for free. Link is in the bio. It's a 10-day of streaming. Make sure we get 10,000 like on the video. We're streaming for 100 days for free. For free. And while Icebag is muted, he's my co-host tonight. Just gonna have some music in the background.
Yeah, it's not looking like we're gonna get that close.
Yeah, I was just explaining to the chat that when it comes to reversals, care about the top trend, but yeah, we didn't get the close. It rejected off VWAP, so how do you get the VWAP in TradeMate? I'm not sure. This is top step. I'm not, dude. When it comes to like technical stuff, I'm zero. So if anybody in the chat could help that person out, I'd appreciate it. But this is top step. Um, yeah, TradeMate, I do not know.
Okay, I like this rejection. If it closes bearish, I wouldn't be opposed to trying shorts to the bottom of the range.
Yeah.
Because the 4-hour structure is pretty bearish here too.
Yeah, the 4-hour structure is bearish. Well, now we're trending below the 20 EMA, so let's see. We have that support level on
So let's see how this closes, and then
yeah,
I want to
fast
see it
pace.
wick up, and then when it flips back red and breaks the low of this candle, I'll try shorts there.
Yeah.
Let's see, but if we do break out, I mean, we could even we can even aim for these lows right over here, 483.
The ambitious 483.
Yeah, this is a rejection.
Yeah. Ejectionones.
Okay, 19 seconds. This looks promising. I'm gonna try it because then if also too if we go below 497.50, the 4-hour flips red too. So I like that.
You doing a mini on it?
Nah, I'm doing 5 micros. Okay, wake up. I'm gonna put my order in. 6 to 175 is my where my order is.
Where's your order in?
At the 15. Okay, I'm in, and then I'm gonna risk 15 points. Fairly tight.
All right, so we're gonna go with shorts chat. I'm in too, so let's see it.
Okay, the 4-hour flip red too.
4-hour flipped red, so let's see this come down. See it. See a nice drop.
I tried a new playlist. I don't like it. I'm gonna go back to what I like. I tried a new playlist, but I didn't like it, so I'm gonna go back to what I like.
You said 486 would be the target?
Yeah. That's if we break the. Right now, I'm targeting the bottom of the range, but if we break it with strength, then yeah, I'll be aiming for that.
Oh, that'd be amazing if we get to that TP. But let's see a chat. Let's see. Let me know if you're in NQ shorts with us. We are streaming on the phone. Make sure we get 10,000 likes on the video. If you got a better entry than me, let me know in the chat. We're in NQ shorts. Our co-host tonight is Icebag. So let's see a chat. drop 100 points. Like I said. Let me know if you guys are in the trade or not. We're up $25. Doesn't even get you a Big Mac meal at McDonald's. All night tonight, so we'll see. Let me know if you guys are in the trade with us. Let me know if you took the trade or not. Yeah.
Like this, man.
Mark Ford's in the trade with us. How you doing, Mark Ford? You invite your friends to the Discord, to the TikTok live, share it. Share us on your story chat. Hopefully we can get a nice dip below. Just hit on should stay off VWAP retest. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Our goal is to make a grand a day on the live stream with you guys. We can get that. We're accomplishing a lot as a community. Moscow, are we in the trade? Who else is in the trade with us? I know somebody took the trade with me. Let me know in the comments below if you did. We're up $145. We really want this thing to sink in across the online verse. $255. We're up 255, like I said, depending on where the trade goes. Depending on where the trade goes, like I said.
If you took that 5 micros, that's it right there, my boy.
We got to really manage this position now. If you're happy with the money you made, remember you can always get out, but I'm really looking for a break now. We're really looking for a break. I'm in NQ shorts. NQ shorts is what I'm in. I really want to see a break now. Break below. Let me know if you guys are in the trade or not. Let me know. Yup, and Dr. Koobs we trust. Absolutely. Icebag is our co-host tonight, chat. If you guys are asking me to co-host a stream with you, I'm sorry. We have our co-host set. Depending on how much money we make today, like I said, could cut the trade early to be break even for the day, but we'll see. Really hoping that we can get a nice flush. And the first thing we need to flush is that 575. We clear 575, we're going to be in good hands, chat. We'll see. We'll see. Dr. Koobs is my full name, my guy. Dr. Koobs. Dr. Koobs is the full name. We're really hoping we can get $2,000 here on this trade. Like I said, this is an express account. We are not paper trading, chat. Dr. Koobs is Koubs, my guy. We are not paper trading, my chat. This is real money, real people, real results. Make sure we get 10,000 likes on this stream if you are in the trade with me and you are making money. Like I said, chat, depending on where this trade goes, I will possibly cut it early. I want to be break even for the day. So we want to see if we could actually get that break. We need to push the baby out for Dr. Coobs. Let's see. Nice. We're up $310. What you sell or buy? We're selling NQ, my guy. NQ. We're shorts on NQ. Let me know in the comments how much money you've made. Let me know in the comments how much money you've made.
I'm going break even here.
All right.
I'm break even now.
We'll get
Risk free.
on the
Let's
trade.
go, Figs. Nice pass.
I want one more last flush. I don't know if we'll get it because we do have that support right there at that 576 level. We need to break that. And then we need to break 561. Let's see it. Make sure we get 10,000 likes on the stream chat. 10,000 likes on the stream. It's not going to break that. I may just call it because I know there is support there. Oh man, yep. Stop loss to break even. No, come back down. We got stopped out. So we made $0. We were hoping for that push. Man, I knew that base right there. Literally said it. Made $0 on that trade. Yeah, I was looking for the break. Yeah, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
The real winner here is Figs. That's all that matters here.
Sig, CFigs, did you pass the account? CFigs, congratulations. He just passed his combine. He started trading with us live last week, chat, and he finally passed his combine. Congratulations. If you guys took profit on that trade, let me know in the comments. Like I said, you guys do not have to follow me step by step. I was literally looking for the break.
Yeah, man, that was a simple trade. Short to the bottom of the range. We got that. I definitely wanted more.
Yeah.
For today, I'm definitely in a good position to like not be worried if I don't do get it or not. I mean, I made profit, took a payout, so I'm in my head. I'm not like I gotta get this. So if it happens, it does. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It's fine. If I do think we can get down here if we break and close below this blue line that we didn't break off. It's kind of funny how we reacted right on that line and then we kind of went back in.
Yeah.
So we can still play either way. So if it wants to close above this blue line, I can, I can look to buy longs to this range up here, or if it wants to come back down and close, then short it. But right now we're in a range. That's the truth of the matter here.
We are in a range, chat. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. No problemo. Let me know in the comments below if you guys took profit or not, though, on that trade. Kind of curious to know if you guys did or didn't. And London session will be starting in 20 minutes, chat. So hopefully we can see some sort of volatility. Across the online verse, nice. You made $450 on that trade. That a boy. Good job. So I had my stop loss earlier at 611. keep stacking the small wins, we're good, chat. What's the ticker for that? NQ, NQ, NQ. Trading futures. I get questions a lot. People thinking I'm trading Ethereum. Ignore this. This is extended hours. Oh, what up, Jishan? Yeah, you should see Figs. You should. I know. Okay. I will. Hold on. Where is it?
Um,
Give me
Figs, I think yeah, dude, I mean the more the merrier, definitely. You can also have that combine there, just like let's just say we take like yesterday, we took like 3 losses. If at that point you feel like, okay, maybe I'm done trading the express, let me switch to a combine. So at this point now I'm risk off, you know? It's always good to have it. So you're not taking any more damage on your fundeds.
Did you say it's rejecting buys pretty good right now? We're in a range right now, Kelly. Dad. I can't say that it's rejecting or not. We're actually completely in a range, so we're just gonna be patient. Like I said, if you made money on the trade, congratulations. Thumbs up to you. But I was being ambitious, so we were looking for that break.
Look at gold, dude. Look at that break.
Oh wow.
It's crazy because when it was at like 48, 38, I was like, there's no way it can get down there. And look, sure enough, it just did in like 2 candles.
Holy shit. No levels. So I'm streaming on my phone, my guy. All the levels and everything is on my other monitors or and chart. For now, I just trying to keep it simple. We'll upgrade the system. Hopefully by next week, the mods will get it upgraded. But for now, we're just streaming on the iPhone. Yeah, gold looks like it wants to drop if it breaks that 81 level. Sheesh.
Um, Max accounts is five funded.
All right. Chat, I'm gonna grab some coffee. I will be back, okay? I'm gonna mute myself, so just let everybody know that I'm muted. I'm gonna grab more coffee. I'll be right back. All right, I'm gonna purchase a funded Alex Gold. All right, so I gotta use Alex Gold. Okay. Purchasing another 100K. All right, done. I just purchased it. I just purchased another combine. Another 100K. Probably purchase more.
Gold is taking a massive dump.
Shit. Wow. Why is it doing that? What's going on?
I don't know, but
Dude. Let me look at the 30-minute. Let me see where it's. Whoa, look at that candle. Dude,
it's
could it
very
actually
typical.
get to 673? It broke that. Wow, it broke 857. Holy moly. You could actually target 694, dude. Holy shit. Yo, the 30-minute candle. Oh my god.
What'd you say? What target?
30-minute um 722, and then this is pretty ambitious, but 450. Yeah, it's
450. I was thinking
7
right now, I was thinking like
724.
46.69.
725 is even another target. Yeah, 69 is another one. Damn.
Okay, look at
Let's see when it's
NQ.
Yeah, that was a manipulation candle for sure.
NQ right back down.
Yeah, NQ right back down. That was a manipulation candle faux show. We took a trade earlier, guys. We broke even on it. I'm going to try to take another trade. We're trying to be more precise on the entries, so bear with us. Wow, look at NQ. A manipulation candle for NQ. Wow.
Honestly, the way it looks like our stop loss was like above. If our stop loss was at the high at 611, we never would have been tagged out. That's crazy.
That's where I had my stop loss. That's
That's
where I had my
nuts,
stop
man.
loss. Oh man, W stop loss, but hey, I went break even on it, so
W
I'm
stop
not
loss.
taking.
Okay, but
I'm not taking. I'm not taking
uh,
a loss today. I refuse to take a loss. I'm not risking anything.
so this is a perfect example, Figs. How you always hear me talk about like as long as it doesn't break the high, you're safe. This is a good example right here.
Mm-hmm.
We take the entry off the break of that low, the 15-minute candle, stop loss above the 15 right there. You can see how close it got.
Break that high. Stop right there.
And then look, now it's making its way back down.
I'm in gold shorts right now, up $150. That a boy, Mark Ford. Did you go one mini, couple micros? What'd you do? Where'd you enter at?
Yeah, gold is dropping.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on with gold. Somebody rob a mountain? It's so overextended though, like geez. Well, longs for gold tomorrow morning will look good.
Tomorrow we're gonna long all the way back to all-time highs.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just kidding. I don't know. Wow.
So London is going to open in 6 minutes. We'll probably see more volatility here. So we'll see. No rate cuts. It's cooked for NQ. Yeah. There was no rate cuts earlier in the afternoon. Rate stayed the same. So I believe Powell's going to be heading out in May. I believe so, but don't quote me. Let me know in the comments below, how do you guys do in New York side? chat, I came in and draw a square. Well, I guess we won't draw a square then. Let's keep it on my other screen. 74 is what we want to take a look for a break. We really need to break out of this range here, chat. Did gold just bottom out, Ice Bag?
Damn,
Oh,
imagine. Imagine
Huh?
catching that shit all the way back up.
Yeah. So gold dropped its lowest to 48 level. Damn, it already pumped 20 points. Sheesh.
Gold?
Yeah.
Oh shoot, you're right.
47.66.
20 points, that's a lot. That's 2,000 with one mini.
Yeah. One mini, imagine that hitting the bottom. EMA is at 772. NQ will dump here and gold will pump. Isn't that right, chat? Chat's awfully quiet today. They're too sleepy. Everybody in the chat is in their bed, watching the stream, trading on their phone or iPad. Yo, what up, Sam? What's my strategy? ICT. ICT, Sam. Yeah, looking like a gold reversal.
Gold reversal?
Yeah, that's what the chat is saying. Chat wants a gold reversal. Let me check the 15-minute and then we'll check. Man, that dump was nasty. If somebody caught that, oh my god.
I mean, that hour chart, I don't know. We got a new hour coming up here.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yo, what up, Rashawn? What up? How's it going? Ah, look at that NQ. Oh my god, what is that manipulation candle?
Yeah, NQ looks like he wants to go up instead.
Yeah.
Oh shoot.
Going, Rashawn. How did New York treat you?
Okay, look at this. Okay, wick down. I'm putting my buy order for longs here. I'm just gonna play the range here. It needs to wick down. It needs to wick down. NQ.
Oh, NQ. Sorry, excuse me.
I need to see a bigger wick down.
Okay. And where would your buy order be at? 613?
At this point, yeah, 613.50. If it re-breaks its own high, okay, I'm putting it in. If it can re-break its own high here, we're gonna play this to the top of the range, and I'll take my profits here. This time I'll take profits here at the range, top of the range.
Yeah. And the top of the range is, because I'm looking at my screen, 639, right?
Yeah, or 636.
636.
That's if we get the break of that too.
We have a stop order in at 613, but if we don't get it, we don't get it, you know? Maybe that was a rejection.
Yeah.
And wants to head low.
If it starts to get too steep here, then I'm gonna scratch it. But this is what I want to see. I want to see a wick down to kind of give all this a retest, and then it's going to flip green.
Wick down and then wick up, and then we could target that 38. But let's see. Be patient, guys. Be patient. Like I said, we're not in a rush for anything.
I'm scratching it. That's way too steep. That's way too steep.
Yeah, we scratched that right away.
Yeah, this
Actually
looks.
broke it.
Yeah.
So if it's
Okay.
gonna
So now
break
if it's
that,
if we're gonna see downside, I want to see it close down here. But this is for sure a volume candle with London open. It's 12 a.m. right here with me.
yep, London just opened 2 minutes ago. So volatility now. Yep, it did the move that we wanted to earlier. Wow. SubhanAllah.
Well,
Oh, SubhanAllah.
to get to this point, we would have gotten stopped out. It wicked up.
Yeah. Yep. How's that manipulation candle? No, we're not doing anything right now. We scratched everything, Cali Dad. We scratched everything. Scratch, scratch, scratch. We're in a range. In a range. And if it's going to break this order block, 65. Oh my god. We could. That 20 EMA is so long. All the way to 588. Yep, that's where the buyers are. That's where the buyers are sitting, Chad. That's where the buyers are sitting. That's your order block right here. This right here. We're buyers and sellers. That's why it hasn't broken it. Jeez, look at that candle, chat. Oh my god. More buyers right here at this order block right here. We break this, we can come all the way down to that order block 310. That's pretty ambitious though. 476. You break that order block. 65 is where we need a closure above. More buyers here. That's why it hasn't been broken. Everything makes sense now. Oops, oops, there we go. Makes sense. Welcome, Jay. Use deal. And I need glasses. I read your name as Yusuf. 6 minutes into London. Dude, there's nobody in my house and I heard somebody yelling. That's kind of freaky.
Damn, son, just ranging. Jeez.
That was really creepy.
What happened?
Oh, I heard somebody yelling and like I live in a haunted house. Somebody outside. But it's 2 o'clock in the morning here.
Maybe it was a
Chat, we're back.
cat.
Sorry about that. So looks like it's forming that support down there. Okay. We have a long way to go up, chat. We can.
Gold is flying.
Gold is flying. Let me see. Holy moly, gold is flying. Yep, it's officially above above the 20 EMA. VWAP is right at 820. I mean, could we actually get to that? Yeesh. Yeah. See where the rejection would be at. 88. We need to close above 88 in order for the reversal to be valid. Up $125 on gold. Nice job. I would be looking along gold, but we'll let you know if I get into something. Don't worry. We'll be clear about it. Yep, Ankylos looking like it wants a dump now.
Okay, close below here, and I'll try it again at the break of that low again. I just hope it doesn't go without us.
Yeah. hit that level so bad. It's just lingering there. Liquidity's sitting there. If I want to wick down, would you put your order in at 64 level, Ice Bank?
Yeah.
We're just staying patient, chat. Trading is very boring, so you got to stay patient. Got to be a snake in the markets. You got to snipe everything you can get. Once again, it keeps wicking up on that level. Damn. You guys see this chat? You see this chat?
I don't like that close. I'm hands off.
Yeah, we have a brand new 15 minutes. Yep. Gold looks like it's leveling right here. Expecting that fair value, yeah, 78. Yeah, the buyers are defending that level, chat, right here. Buyers defending all that level. Definitely buyers are defending it. See, that's why you don't hop into a trade right away. Most people probably took it here. Oh, it's gonna drop down. They get wicked up, stop loss hit. You just
Yeah, look at this shit.
Yeah, holy crap. Jeez. This is why you have to be patient, chat. This is a perfect example why you stay patient. You just can't hop into a trade like that. It doesn't work. And look at these wicks. You guys are seeing these wicks are nasty. That's like those candles are 40-point wicks. 40 points, chat. This is why we stay patient. The goal is to put money in your pockets, not to give it to the market, chat. And NQ is just in this range, by the way. So any trade you take, it's 50-50 at that point. holding that 77 level on the 20 EMA. So let's see what it's going to do. I said I'm looking charts on a different screen, chat. So we are streaming on the phone, so bear with us. If we enter a trade, we will let you know. So everybody who's live with me, do you guys work overnight? Are you guys students? You guys don't get enough sleep? What's the deal? You guys are staying up pretty late. You guys live overseas? Europe? Holy shit, NQ's approaching VWAP. You work for yourself? Locksmith? Futures trading is from Miami. God, that city's so nice, Miami. That's where I need to move is Miami. Miami, baby. I was there 2 years ago. I really liked it. University student at Texas A&M. Awesome. Do they have a statue of Johnny Manziel in every hallway at that university? My bad, legged out. It's okay, Kelly Dad. Damn. Nice. Look at this. Look at this range. Look at this range. NQ. Jeez. Let's break that VWAP, but no bueno. No bueno, chat. Wait, laughing my ass off. He used his HV, his own bar. What do you mean by that? He used to HV his own bar. Oh, he used to have his own bar, really? For real? Johnny Manziel? Damn.
I'm gonna give it 2 more 15-minute candles. If nothing sets up, I'm out. I'm out of here.
Okay. Yeah, we'll call it a night.
So if this one closes, I mean, I'm down to play whatever happens here. Close above or close below. But if we're just gonna stay here, then I'm done. I'm done skis.
Yeah. You'd rather watch paint dry, chat. It's again another rejection. Gold rejected pretty hard too. So, Mark, what are you studying at Texas A&M? What's your major? Mark is the only college student in here. Oh, Kelly Dad is a college student. College student. Kelly Dad, what are you studying? Used to be engineering, hated it. Now I'm in finance, dude. Ugh, I could not do engineering. No way, all that math. Computer science. I gonna head to bed. All right, good night, Kelly Dad. Yeah, I could not do all that math. Too much. It's like gold rejected pretty hard. 647. Wow, we've been in that range for NQ like the past 3 hours. Sheesh. So we had 2 college students with us tonight. Nobody else is in college.
And pay for college.
Dude, yeah, imagine trading on funded accounts so you could pay for your college. That would be the biggest scam, chat. You shouldn't be in college unless if you're gonna be a doctor, engineer, or lawyer. Other than that, maybe computer science, like some sort of engineer, but other than that, you don't really need college. You do not need college. Now, college is the biggest scam. Ask me, I would know. Rashawn, you're retired? Lucky you. I need to be retired, chat. Hey, Icebag, did you see that? I don't know, because I get most of my news from Instagram. I don't know if it's true or not, but Donald Trump signed like an executive order, like all immigrant truck drivers can't renew their license. Did anybody hear about that today? Like I said,
I didn't hear
it's
anything
mostly
about it
because it's
today,
for
but I know that I guess he's like trying to test them to make sure that they can speak English.
oh, he's trying to press them so they can make sure they speak English.
Yeah.
Okay.
Something like that.
Yo, dude, so that Somali daycare, oh my God, all those people that I used to know are now in jail. Can you imagine that? That's so messed up. Amount of money they stole.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
I mean, we could try to play continuation here with gold if it closes like this. But honestly, I think that's semi just kind of like I'm bored, so I want to trade.
Yeah. No, 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 no. We're not taking boring trades.
Ugh.
48 really did form a base. You heard about TJR? Never heard about him. Tell me who TJR is. Mark Ford. Is he a trader? Iceberg, have you heard of this trader named TJR?
No, not at all.
You've never heard of him? I haven't either. What about him? TJR.
BJ? BJR?
No, TJ, not BJ. TJ. T as in Tom.
I've heard of that. Have you guys has chat heard about that trader Nancy Pelosi?
Nancy Pelosi. Yeah, she's the best when it comes to inside trading chat. But seriously, Mark Ford, about TJR, what about him? All jokes aside, what'd he do? Yo, we're just chopping right now on both ends.
God damn, I'm
You're
like
not new
falling
to
asleep.
but just got exposed for rug pulling hella early in his career. What do you mean he rug? How did he rug pull people early in his career? Like, what did he do? How do you rug pull traders? I guess. He rug pulled people for crypto. Like he made like a TJR meme coin or something. Yeah, just promoting coins. Oh, I didn't even know he did crypto. I thought he was just futures. It's pretty sad if he did that. I guess somebody has to pay for the Koenigsegg that he has. All right, Chad. It looks like we're
Yeah, this is crazy. I'm gonna give it this candle close, 15-minute candle
yeah.
close.
No, Chad. I'm gonna head out. I'd rather watch paint dry. We'll be back at it tomorrow. So yeah, like I said, W trade earlier. We got stopped out at break even. If you took profits, congratulations. We'll be back on tomorrow. So good night, everybody. See you later. Adios. Yeah, I ended the stream there. Chat wasn't really active anyway.
Yeah. Well, at least Figs got a W out of this.
Yeah, I'm happy. So CFig's got a W tonight. I ended up buying another combine. You bought another combine. You got a payout today, and then we pretty much recovered the account. So to me, it's a winning day.
Yeah, if you zoom out, take and count everything, today is a good day. So
Yeah, no, today was a blessed day. Have I not taken that NQ trade earlier, I just would have been down $20, but I'm down 300. It's okay for me. It's a winning day still. Um,
wait, what? You're
that's a
down
blessing.
300 bucks?
300. Remember, I took that NQ long and I got
Oh,
shorted
that's
on it.
right. Before I got on.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. When you got on, because it looked pretty promising, dude. And then, so like I got in, and then I just realized later on that we were kind of stuck in that chop that we've been in this chop maybe for like the past hour and a half. So, but I'm not mad about it. So it's okay. Like I'm not gonna cry about it. We'll make it back. But yeah, NQ is looking cooked right now. And then gold looks like it's going back to its support level, which is 749. So I don't know. Like you mentioned earlier today, precise entries, clean entries, and yeah,
Yeah.
no need to force trades. No need to be bored. It's okay. If we don't trade, we don't trade. It's not the end of the world. There's always going to be opportunities next month.
I'm getting pissed off.
Why?
Thank you. Just do something. Holy shit, man.
Well, I mean, dude,
No,
it's
I'm just kidding. But it's. We need to break out of here or something, but I don't think we're gonna get any sort of movement. Maybe until like 2 a.m. is my guess. 2 a.m. My time at least.
yeah.
But if we don't get it now in like the next 10 minutes, I'm gonna let this close, and if we don't see anything, I'm done. But if you happen to be watching the charts, then wait for it to close below here, like in the 550s, just around there. Let it wake up and then enter at the break of that low.
This is a practice account. I'm just seeing. Holy crap! 5 minis up, back up to that high on gold. That's 8K in profit. Sheesh.
I don't think it's gonna happen now though.
No.
It could.
Forming a double bottom.
Yeah, on the 1 minute, that's what it looked like.
Yeah, it looks like it's forming a double bottom on the 1 minute. We are finding that support. Um, but it's uh,
The 4 hour
the
doesn't
risk
look like it
reward
though.
ratio is not there for me, huh?
What'd you say?
The risk reward ratio is not there for me. I've seen gold where it does this all the time, where maybe it'll manipulate back up and then it will just drop. So we had the fake dead cat bounce earlier, and yeah,
Nothing about gold says I want to long this right now.
yeah, for sure. No, I was just checking the practice account. I'm in 5 minis on $500.
Here's a pro tip. A pro tip is you never want to go against the 4 hour chart.
Yeah.
The 4 hour candles. If you go to the 4 hour candle, that does not look like, hey, I got along this.
Hey, it's our song.
I know.
Wow, the 4 hour, bro, is just red after red after red.
E- even on NQ, like this is why I think we do get down to that low.
Let me check the 4 hour on NQ now. We check. So the low that you're looking at is 227.
No, 485. You're skipping a low. You said 227? Okay, that's ambitious.
Yeah.
That's what you've been saying all night is ambitious.
Yeah. Yeah, I could see that.
For 485, that's 100 points. With 1 mini,
Yeah,
that's
I'm looking at the
2000.
last candle. Yeah, I could see it, but yeah, it's literally at 485, literally on the tick. But
Mm-hmm.
it's just, it's just, it's just been bouncing off this level, off this base every time. That
Yeah.
458 level just does not want to break it.
That's also a thing too. Like if you're bearish, like you don't want to see this. For every low that we make, every single low that we make, we bounce up. Every single
Yeah, no,
new
it's good. I
low,
just,
it goes up. If you're bearish, you don't want to see that. And same thing here. We just put in a new lower low. Are we going to stay down here and close on the 15? Or are we going to bounce up again?
right.
But I'd like for me to really be convinced. I want to see this close closer to the low that it put in for me to try it in like 6 minutes here.
Yeah, I'm gonna give this 6 more minutes. If not, I'm gonna log off. I don't want to stay up till 5 o'clock, especially that I have to be at Activision tomorrow. Call of Duty Palace for an order. Oh man. restarted my computer and NQ just gapped down. Wow.
It NQ has gone nowhere. I'm like, you said that like we're still in the same exact spot. Yeah, it's not looking promising, but gold is. If it closes like this, like a nice bearish body like this.
But never mind. That was on another chart on the practice. Sorry.
Okay, here we go. I mean, gold is looking very heavy here.
Gold is.
Yeah, I might try this here. In 50 seconds. Don't go without us.
You're gonna short it?
Yeah.
Let's see it. Were you placing an order?
No, no, yeah, I gotta this 15-minute has to close. Okay, here we go. NQ is doing it now too, though.
Do we go
Okay,
for
look, let me
NQ?
tell you this here. I like NQ because we're attempting to break out of this range. If we do that, I like the breakout. But with gold, we already moved down.
Yep.
I just don't know how much more of it is left, but that's what I'm seeing here.
Yeah.
15 seconds. Okay, I do like this. If it can close like this, if NQ can close like this, I'm in. Wait, after a wick up.
And I'm assuming you'd put it at 55, 555, 5 micros.
Yeah. Oh, dude, that's such a terrible close. Let's.
Yeah.
Nah.
See, am I? What's that level, man? It keeps bouncing off that level. It just does not want to break it.
I like gold a little bit better, the close, but. Oh, wow. NQ, look at that. I was about to put my order on it too.
Yeah, wow, gold though. For final TP on my chart, it says 727 for gold. Wow.
I'm gonna put a stop sell 5 micros on gold. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna choose gold because this is terrible on NQ. I'm gonna choose gold.
Right. And your stop sell is gonna be what? 36.
At the above the 15-minute candle here. So once it tags us in, the stop loss is gonna go above the 15-minute candle.
So 36. Okay. All right. I'm gonna stop sell. I'm gonna go 10 micros. And then if I'm at break even, awesome. We could drop 10 points. That'll be a band. I'll be more than happy. I think it maybe wants to head up to that 20 EMA at that 58 level, but we'll see. Figs, you still awake? Damn, dude, it literally. Oh my god, gold almost pumped 20 points.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not looking good.
No. NQ, dude, is just you can scratch that one off tonight. It's just consolidating.
I'm scratching gold, dude. It's not showing any weakness back down. It's just going up and holding. Yeah, I'm scratching. I'm calling it there. Yeah, there's just nothing. There's just no volume here. Well, there is, but like it's volume back into the range. Yeah, I'm calling it there.
No, NQ, yeah, wow. NQ's at that 80 level again.
Back in the range. NQ's right back into the range.
Yep, yep.
And gold, yeah, that was a solid close on gold, but now it's like it's not showing any sort of weakness back down. It's just kind of going up now. Yeah, I'm done. That's it. That's terrible. Not what I want to see. Yeah, man. See, yeah, see figs. Yeah, either way, congrats, dude. Congrats on the third funded.
Yeah, congrats, you figs.
Yeah,
Now it's
that's a
time to
dub.
work on my second funded for me and get that passed.
All right, man. See ya.
Right. Yeah, Ice Fig, W day though today overall. So
Yeah.
I'm content. I'm content with everything.
Yeah. W day. I mean, you went from almost blowing the account to staying alive.
Passed. We saved the account. I got a second combine now that I got to work on passing.
Yeah.
Wow, don't tell me gold's gonna do this move now.
Yeah, but if you're up though, like if you're up tonight, you just watch out for this range, for the cannon closure and follow through.
No, bro, I'm gonna go to bed, man. It's,
Yeah. All right, dude. I'll catch you later. I'm done too. I'm tired.
yeah, peace.
All right, YouTube. That was very, 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 very boring. We took one trade, but you know, the trade was to short like around right here to the bottom of the range. We got it. I wanted more. I got greedy. I wanted more. I wanted to break and get to this low, but we ended up getting stopped out for break even. So it's all good. I mean, just very slow, no volume, just dead. It just fell flat. So anyway, just so you guys know, there is a Discord pin in the comment section if you guys want to tap in. If you guys want to tap in, you know, we're in there. That's where I stream too, live TA, because I know YouTube has a little delay. So if you guys want to get in there, tap in.